Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from InstaCrypto, and inside this video I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your crypto on InstaCrypto.in. Now in my previous video I showed you how to buy crypto on the same exchange, and I received a lot of responses saying they also wanted to know how to go ahead and sell crypto on InstaCrypto because there are private wallets involved in this exchange. So I thought I'll quickly do a follow-up video. So if you have not checked out my previous videos on InstaCrypto, I will leave the links for them in the description below. Please go ahead and check them out. So the first thing is, if you have your account verified, how do you know if your account is verified on InstaCrypto? One, you'll get an account approval email. You'll also receive a small amount deposit in your bank account, and you can also go ahead and click on account option here, and you will be able to see a check mark next to your name, and if you hover over it, it will say verified account. So that is how you know that your KYC is verified and your account is approved on InstaCrypto. So once you have that sorted, hopefully your account is active and your KYC is verified. So from the home page, you can go ahead and hover on market here on the top right, and select whichever crypto you would like to sell. Or you can also click on the sell option here from the home page, and that will go ahead and show you all the sell prices of the cryptos that is listed on InstaCrypto. Now here is a nice thing that InstaCrypto has done. They've color coded buy and sell, buy being green and red being sell. So if you see red, that means you're selling your crypto. So in this case, I'll go ahead and select sell Dogecoin, and you can go ahead and enter the INR amount that you would like to sell your crypto for, or you can also go ahead and enter the exact crypto value as well, and it will automatically calculate the INR amount. So in this case, I'll be selling 2000 Dogecoin, and it's already calculated the adjacent INR amount. So once you have verified everything is correct on this screen, click on sell Dogecoin. It will take you to the crypto cart where you can see the fees deduction, and if you have any coupon code that you would have received by either through referral or from InstaCrypto, you can go ahead and apply here. I don't have any coupon code, so I'll go ahead and just click on proceed to checkout, and that would take me to the final checkout screen where you can confirm everything if everything's fine here. And once I've verified, I would have to enter my phone number here. This is the second factor authentication that InstaCrypto uses. So let me quickly go ahead and enter my phone number. So I'll go ahead and enter the PIN code that I received on my phone, and my phone is now verified. I'll go ahead and check this box which says I have read and accept the terms and conditions. If you want to go through the terms and conditions, click on the link and you can go through the terms and conditions. And once you have verified everything's correct, click on place order. So that will take me to the order confirmation screen where I have a QR code and also the wallet address of Dogecoin, to which I will go ahead and send my Dogecoin now. If I scroll down, I can see how much Dogecoin that I should be sending, and I'll also know how much amount in INR I should be receiving in my bank account. So let me quickly go ahead and launch my Jax wallet, and click on send, and click on the QR code option, and I can go ahead and scan the QR code, and it automatically picked up the address. You can also go ahead and verify that by checking the address here. So once you feel everything's correct, you would have to enter the amount, which I'll go ahead and do here. And once everything's fine, go ahead and click on send, and your wallet will ask for a confirmation, which also includes the mining fee. Once you have confirmed everything, click on confirm, and there we have it. I have successfully sent the Dogecoin to InstaCrypto. Now there is another step that we would have to do here. I would have to send them a screenshot for confirmation. So I'll go ahead and take a screenshot here, and I'll go ahead and quickly transfer this screenshot to my computer, and wherein I can go ahead and send it to InstaCrypto. So I went ahead and transferred the screenshot from my phone to my computer. Now I would have to go ahead and enter my order number here, which I'll enter it here, and I'll go ahead and select the screenshot and click on submit transaction details. So there we have it. Thank you for submitting your transaction details. We'll verify and transfer the INR funds to your bank account after one block confirmation. So let me quickly check my Jax wallet. I see there has been 6 confirmations by the time I transferred the screenshot to my computer and submitted it. So hopefully I should be getting the funds into my bank account. So let me quickly go ahead and open my bank account and check if the funds are received. So I've just checked my bank account and I've received the exact amount in my bank account as well. So that is basically how you go ahead and sell any crypto on InstaCrypto. The procedure for selling remains the same, irrespective of whichever crypto you go ahead and sell on this exchange. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comment section below, and also give us a like. And if you're somebody new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post new videos. That's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.